The Jagannath Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Jagannath, a form of Vishnu in Hinduism. It is located in Puri in the state of Odisha, situated on the eastern coast of India. As per temple records, King Indradyumna of Avanti built the main temple of Jagannath at Puri. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards on the site of the pre-existing temples in the compound, but not the main Jagannath temple, and begun by Anantavarman Chodaganga, the first king of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. The present temple was built in the 12th century AD. The temple structure is full of excellent carvings and lovely pieces of sculpture, and is a fine specimen of Kalinga style of architecture. It is now maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. Only orthodox Hindus are allowed to enter into the temple. The temple is famous for its annual Ratha Yatra, or chariot festival, in which the three principal deities are pulled on huge and elaborately decorated raths, or temple cars. According to legends in Madala Panji, the construction of the first Jagannath Temple was commissioned by King Indradyumna, a Malava king, mentioned in the Mahabharata and the Puranas. Indradyumna put up for Jagannath to build the tallest monument in the world. It was 1,000 cubits or 457.2 meters high. The new 75-meter-wide corridor surrounding the Jagannath Temple complex has now decongested the temple's external periphery after almost 3 years of rigorous work, while providing pilgrims a visual connect with the temple. As a part of the daily ritual, a new flag measuring 20 feet long and triangular in shape is prepared every day by a male member of the Chola family. The timing is 5 p.m. during winter and 6 p.m. during summertime. In the post-COVID-19 period, the daily footfall of devotees is estimated to be about 50,000 per day, and during weekends and on important religious occasions, the numbers swell up to 3 times their daily count. Beautiful temple view from outside. The entire temple premises are enclosed by 2 big concentric walls. The outer wall is known as Meghanada Prachira, 665 feet into 640 feet, and the inner wall is known as Kurma Prachira, 420 feet. Puri Beach is a stretch of fine golden sand dotted with stalls selling sumptuous seafood and knickknacks. It is popular with pilgrims who come to worship Lord Jagannath at the famous temple located nearby. The Grand Marine Drive Road running parallel to the beach is a popular spot for long walks. It is on the shore of the Bay of Bengal. It is known for being a tourist attraction and a Hindu sacred place. Puri Beach is located at the city of Puri, and the distance between Puri railway station and the beach is only 2 kilometers. Nearest airport is located at Bhubaneswar, which is 60 kilometers away. Buses and taxis are available for local transportation. Scenic beauty. Puri Beach offers stunning views of the Bay of Bengal, especially during sunrise and sunset. The long stretch of golden sands and the rhythmic waves create a serene atmosphere. Puri Beach at night becomes an excellent, calm stretch under the moonlight. The road lights alongside the seashore create an inviting warmth, and a lot of people like walking here at night. Puri markets have a great variety of textiles. Handloom here is quite famous. Try the ikat weave or the 100% cotton material. Select special saris such as ikat, bomkai, sambalpuri, and pasapali